Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're delving into a common issue that many developers face when working with Spring Cloud and integration. The problem we're tackling today revolves around configuring bindings for a predefined Rabbit exchange using YAML properties. So, let's dive into the solution. The key here is to refer to the binder documentation, which provides clear guidance on how to work with existing queues and exchanges. By customizing the properties in the application.yml file, we can effectively disable automatic provisioning and specify the exchange and queue we want to use. To achieve this, we need to set specific properties such as destination, group, consumer.bindQueue, consumer.declareExchange, and consumer.QNameGroup only under the Rabbit bindings section. By following this approach, we can ensure that our application connects to the predefined exchange and queue as intended. Remember, it's essential to carefully configure these properties in the application.yml file to align with the existing infrastructure and requirements of your microservices architecture. By doing so, you can seamlessly integrate your application with the predefined Rabbit exchange and handle message consumption efficiently. Alright, that's a wrap on solving the problem at hand. I hope you found this explanation helpful and that it sheds some light on working with Spring Cloud configurations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding.